Hi friends, I've got a problem with my drawers. Not those drawers. These drawers. You see, of all the things in the world, it's very likely that you'll have some of them. But it's very unlikely that you'll have a spot and a container for everything that you have. I use something called the pile method to organize my drawers.
Not those drawers.
This is where I keep all my loose stuff. Prop it up here. Careful not to spill anything. Using the utmost of care.
For example, here's my contribution to one of our kitchen drawers. It has the very purposeful pile of a thermometer, a large vice grip, a dirty toothbrush, a large bread tie, and a plastic scraper. And here's one of my dresser drawers. It's hard to even describe what is in this pile and why. It doesn't make sense and it doesn't work for me. So I've tried to use the Gridfinity organizational system to clean up my drawers. The system is comprised of a base grid and then modular containers of various sizes that you can customize for the things that you have. For instance, there are specialty tool holders like this deburring tool and its blades. Various small bins for screws and other hardware. Containers for things like glue sticks, cables, tools, things that are challenging to organize and are often put into a pile, at least in my case. If you're organizationally challenged, I would highly consider getting a 3D printer and trying out this Gridfinity system of organization. And if you're organizationally challenged or have someone in your life who could benefit from some better organization, check out my top tips for gifts this year. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.
Have a great day, everybody.